Hello to everyone. We have here today this baby monitor Nannyeye Lite 3.5. It's from Moplay, and the box looks like this. We can see here some warning in English. So some hazard children can stretch themselves on cards. Keep cards out of reach of children and do not use with an extension cord. So it looks like that it was made in the Poland, because you can see that there is Polska, and right here on the back side you can see some information about the adapter, working range, LCD screen, some frequency, about battery, it's 2100 mAh, and monitor pixels is 3.20 multiplied 240 camera image sensor. So let's do it together to unbox it and check what is inside. You can see right here is open the box, so we can open it, and on the top of the box you can find again some instruction. So instruction how to use it, so we can check it then together. You have here all the information how to use it. Then we have inside some charger adapter for charging, some USB cable for connection. Here is some paper, or it looks like the stick. Then again some next connector and cable, and I think that you have here some screw when you want to mount it on in the wall or somewhere. What's next? Okay, we have here the monitor. You can check it from the news. So it looks like this. We can see here some play, nice monitor with the menu, and on this side is some, okay, it's like this, and so it's nice, and also a microphone connection for charging. And next we find here the camera. I think right here is the camera. So here is camera with microphone. So here is the camera. Can get it down. Okay, and here is the adapter for connection. So right here we have everything, nothing is outside. So I think this is for the monitor, and this is for the camera. So thank you for the watching, and in the next video we can try to keep it together and try it so functioning, how to set up this baby camera. Thank you for the watching. Don't forget to subscribe.